So the income I'm earning now is obviously above 50K. So I'm just to hit 1 lakh now. So I'm just to cross that, and I'm very excited to do that. In fact, this was my dream. I wanted to get a 50K salary in my jobs. That is why I did MBA recently, but which I was not able to do it. But just with 3 months of freelancing, I was able to achieve that.
This course has literally changed my life from grace to skies. And yeah, I'm not the same person which I was 5 months back. I'm literally changed in every aspect.
In the first month itself, I just went through all the modules, and then so I got my first clients, and I have worked with 5 clients till now, and working with a few more now. And the second month, I was able to enter the 50K club.
When I enrolled in MMA, this was the first major investment I did, and I would say this was the best till date. And if you see the first module itself, the mindset module made me believe in myself, like I can do it.
First thing I would say best helped me is your mindset module, all your podcasts, all your audios. So I just can't thank you enough for creating all those. And the second one is the Facebook module, because currently I'm a Facebook advertiser amongst all the other skills you have put inside the course. I'm so glad that I just chose this, because Facebook advertising is a whole new field for me. So I'm so glad for these two course content.
So Get Clients module is the largest module in the whole MA, and it's so important. Get Clients module will teach you from step by step, from starting from how to approach your client, where to find client, till sending them invoices. So it is a step-by-step process teaching you about how to get clients.
Obviously, the mindset module is amazing. It really is, Ruta. Okay, it's really amazing. I often go back to it, but content-wise, my most important pieces are the Get Clients and the client onboarding module. Okay, because the Get Client module actually tells you what to do to get clients, how to find clients, and it works. It still works. Every time I look at it, and anytime I feel that okay, I need to find new clients, I just go back to the module and start doing the same things again. Yeah. And the client onboarding module is also very important, because that is something you don't find anywhere.
Currently, from the past 2 months, I hit my milestone of getting $2,000 per month. Like this month, I have gained around 2,500. So this all happened because of the skills I get through MAA, especially of Facebook ads and all the services that I'm giving to my clients.
And currently I'm working with clients who are making around 6 figures and 7 figures. So even recently, before 2 days, I just closed a client who's just making 6 figures.
I like those parts. Get content, get client onboarding, and freelancer business planning bundle. They're really helpful.
Not only in India, if you are anywhere in the world and you want to start freelancing, I would say MMA is the only course which is giving you everything. So if freelancing is your dream, working from anywhere is your dream, then this is the final solution.
Most supportive, most engaging, and the most valuable part of MAA is, I definitely say, is the community and the support Ruta and her team is providing you guys. So please thank you. Just not alone in this journey. We're all with you. Please hop in and we'll see you soon on the other side.
I know you are watching this because you are interested in this course, because I did this too. Let me tell you, I know you are in a current situation where you are asking yourself, okay, should I buy this course or not? Would that make me money back or not? I totally understand this, and we all were at the same place where you are standing. We all MA students, all the successful students even. We all thought, this thought has came in all of our mind that, okay, whether I would make money back or not.
I think this course is not even priced half or 1/3 of what it deserves to be. It's that good. So just get in and join us.